Good morning, students. In this video, I have uploaded the whole chapter. You can go through the chapter. Okay, dear students, the second chapter, the cherry tree. And I had asked you in the beginning, the first question, can you identify these tree choose from the list given to you? Okay, I had given you in first video. If you are not able to see it here, please see that you check it in your first video. And you have to write here the names. What trees are they? Okay. After this, you can go through your chapter. I have uploaded here. Okay. So, dear students, I have uploaded this chapter here. You can go through this whole story, okay? So, you can see here, the whole story is here. Below, the word meanings are also there. But then also, I have put the word meanings at the end of the video, okay? You can go read this whole chapter. I have uploaded this whole chapter for you so that you can go through your chapter, okay? So, you can read this chapter and understand the whole story. Okay, for your help I have put this. You have to read this chapter, dear students, otherwise no, otherwise my hard work will be in vain. Okay, so you have to go through this chapter, read and understand the story yourself also. Okay, not only the few pages, I have uploaded the whole chapter. Okay, the word meanings are also given below here. Okay, this last paragraph I did not explain to you in your second video, so I would like to explain to you. As they were sitting under the tree, the grandfather and grandson in the shade of this tree, and now they were thinking that there were so many trees in the forest, said Rakesh. Now Rakesh is telling that there are so many trees in the forest, but special, what is special about this tree? Why do we like it so much? So he's asking that what is special about this tree, why we like it. So the grandfather is telling, we plant it ourselves, that is why this is a special. Why this tree is special for them? Because grandfather says we planted it. Now what I say, just a small seed, said Rakesh, just a small seed, and it touched the smooth bark of the tree, and that had grown. He ran his hand along the trunk of the trees and put his finger to the tip of the leaf. Now this is the surprising thing here to be asked. Now he's telling, I wonder, he whispered, is this what it feels to be God? Okay, I wonder, he whispered, is this what it feels to be God? So here I complete my the whole chapter. After this, I would like to give you the word meanings. Now I'll go to the word meaning. I have uploaded this whole chapter. Your chapter ends here. Okay, dear students, this paragraph I had not explained to you in your second video. So here, please go through this and then complete your explanation of the chapter. Okay, so this is the end of the chapter here. After this, this is a person who has written this story. Ruskin Bond was born in Kasoli, India, and he now lives in Missouri. If you go to Missouri, you can see him. The first book he read as a child was Ellie in Wonderland. So you can go through this great author who has written this story for you. So read this. Okay, dear students, please read about it. Okay. After this, I have here this whole chapter you should go through, dear students, since I uploaded it for your great help. Okay. After this, I have given here meanings. This meanings has to be written in your notebook. See that you complete this word meaning in your notebook. All this word meaning. Okay. Learn and write this word meanings in your copy. Okay. So without wasting the time, I want you to do this work. Please see that you write the meanings. So, and not only writing, you have to learn this word meanings, okay? After this, I shall go to the exercises, the question answers of yours. So we shall have here first look for the, you have a small exercise here, making connection. Quick answer. Write down the names of the insects, birds and animals which came to the cherry tree. Now you know the story who all came. So please write in each box. So the animals, insects, birds and all those who came. They came to cherry to eat the, you have to do it. So this is your homework, okay students. So this you have to do. This is your homework. What you have to do in this, write the names of the insects, birds and animals which came to the cherry tree, okay? After this you have the reference to context here. The questions are here already. Questions are here, and I wanted you to look for the answer, but then I have given you, because I know some of you will not do it. So I have given the answers also in this video, so you can go through. So each category, each question you have 3 questions, okay? Second ABC, third ABC, and fourth ABC. Now again there is a questions are here: read, reflect, and write. Till 8th questions I have given the answers to you in this video, and ninth one your own you have to write, okay? This one you will write your own, ninth one. Till 8th I have given the answers. Now this is an exercise here. What you have to do, insert a, and or the wherever necessary and rewrite the paragraph, okay? What did you understand? Did you understand? You have to insert a, and or the wherever necessary and rewrite the sentence. This you have to do in your rough copy, okay? So I don't want to hear ma'am or sister, I did not do, I did not understand. This you know already how to do it. If you go through this exercise, you can see it, I have done little bit here and there. So you can go through this and then do it in your rough copy, okay? So this is also your homework. After this you have in-text questions. Now I have given the marking here. Altogether I think 6 boxes are here, but then in each box you have got two question answers questions, okay? 1 and 2. This is 1, this is 2, okay? Now this is your 3 and this is your 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, okay? So you have got 12 questions here. So you can go through these index questions and please write down these question answers in your copy. This is your homework, you will write in your notebook. I don't want to get any excuse saying that I did not watch the video or I did not get the answers, because I have uploaded all the questions here and the answers also. So you cannot escape from me now saying that I have not done it. So whenever you get, after this you have the answers here. These are the index question answers. Just now I explained to you the questions. So you can go through 1, 2, all. I have given the number here. I have given the number here, so you can go through this number here. So all 12 questions answers are here. In this page you will get 8. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then you have 9, 10, 11, 12. So here you complete your indexed question answer. Okay, inside question answers. Did you understand now? Dear students, please write down in your notebook. Again and again I am reminding, please write in your notebook these questions. The question answers you have to write everything in your notebook, not only the in text. Read, reflect, and exercises. No need of doing in your notebook, but the question answer, the word meanings, you will be writing in your notebook. Now this is a quick making connections, quick answers. Okay. Now this you read and see how you can do it. Okay. Now this you have got reference to context. I had said two. Question number 2 has 3 questions. Question number 3 has 3 questions, and question number 4 has 3 questions. So here 2 A B C. This answer is here, and just now had given to you the questions, so you can do. Now third A B C. Okay. Now fourth A B C. Okay. But this answer is continued. Okay. So this is not over. This answer is continued till here. Okay. Okay. After this you have got read, reflect and write. Okay, now read, reflect, write. Question number 5 you have here, and question number 6 you have got to here. So in this page you will get all 2 questions. Okay, so after this you have question number 7 till here, and question number 8. Ninth one you will be doing yourself. That I will not be, and that I'm not going to give you, because everything I have given you here, all the inside question answers I have given, and all the read, reflect, and the ninth question you yourself will be doing. So let us go through the questions once again. This here quick answers you will do yourself. Okay. This exercise is your homework. You will do. Read the question here, what it is asked. After this, read reference to context questions are here. I have given the answers at the back. Read, reflect questions are here. Till 8th, I have given you the answers. 9th one, again I remind you, your own. Okay. So after this, you have got an exercise here. You have to insert a, an, or the wherever necessary. Okay. So you will be doing this exercise in your rough copy. I want to see the rough copy whenever the school opens. Okay. And this you have got the inside question answers. I have already marked here how many questions are here. 12 questions are here, and 12 answers I have given you at the back here. So here it begins your question number 1 inside in text question answer 1. You will get 8 here. Okay, then you have the index question answers end up here. Okay, all 12 questions are here. After this you have here quick answers making connections. Okay, quick answers making connections, that already I had asked you that exercise to be done, the insects and the birds which came to the cherry tree. That answer it is. Okay, the question number 1's answer. Okay, after this you have all the reference to context to ABC, third ABC, fourth ABC, and the answer is continued here. Okay, don't think that it is sent. Question number answer, this answer ends here. After this you have got read, reflect and write. 5, 6, 7 and 8. So dear students, I hope you might have understood everything I have given you in detail now here. So I want you to write down all the question answers in text question answers, read, reflect and reference to context. So all this and the word meanings also has to be written in your notebook. So word meaning in text question answers, read, reflect question answers, reference to the context, all these question answers you have to write down in your notebook. So dear students, I hope you might have understood the whole chapter, the story. That is, I have uploaded the whole chapter. You can go through the chapter once again, read the story about a grandfather and the son, and planting a cherry tree. What is their feeling at the end? Okay, so complete this whole chapter, the work, homework, whatever I have given to you. So all the best, dear students. Thank you.